In this problem, we are given a figure and we are asked to select the correct expression for power at the terminals 1, 2 of the figure. So we need to select one, either A or B. Well, when we look at this figure, we can first look at the voltage, and I'm going to draw the voltage in red. So the positive is going this way, and then the negative is going this way. And what's really happening, and I'll draw this in a smaller red, it's going like this around the terminals. So this current, we see that it's obviously going in the opposite direction because the voltage is flowing this way. The voltage is going this way. So if current is going this way, meaning I'll draw this in blue, current is basically like this, and it's going this way. Since it's going the opposite way, that means it's going to be negative. If voltage and current are in the same way, that means it's positive. So for this exercise, it will be B. It will be a negative V times I. If I was going in the opposite direction, or if I was going in the direction of voltage, we would have a plus. So for this problem, we have a negative, and that is the answer.